Hey guys, thanks for tuning in once again. On today's episode, we're going to share with you some of the footage that we captured while we were at the Mountain Hatch Open House here in Southern California. Now, there were a lot of great builds, and man, I'll tell you, I got some great ideas while I was there, and hopefully you guys will do the same. So stay tuned and enjoy this episode, and thanks again for watching. TubeWorks has made it out to the event. They are drivetrain solutions running 40-inch tires, two-door, and they've got the ARB awning. They also have a well-equipped trailer for their off-road adventures. Looks like they have some diesel fuel, controllers. Looks like a ton of fun. ARB touring on the tent. And if we find out where the owner is, maybe we can get him to open this up for us. If not, still a great looking setup. You guys remember this wonderful Jeep? It broke the internet when it appeared at SEMA in 2019. Still looks amazing to this day. Once again, they got their HIT awning on the back. And here's the back of the rig. This is how they have it set up. ARB fridge. Pull-out slides by Rockland Custom Products. They got their Deadman recovery and their chase light in the back. Very nicely done swing-out tire carrier. This thing is heavy duty and certainly ready for adventure. Even have a mini power welder ready to go. Power tank. Great build. You guys are real familiar with our friends from the Trail Chasers podcast. If you're not familiar with their podcast, you have got to log on. Check them out. They're on any podcast application you can find. I had listened to them typically on iTunes podcast, but you can also find them on YouTube and on Instagram at The Trail Chasers. And they are a ton of fun. And the guys are always out wheeling, looking for adventure, and they have some great stories. Make sure that you tune into their show. They have a weekly show, and sometimes they do special shows as well. Today, the guys from Trail Chasers are out here at the RIGS and Coffees event, and let's take a minute to say hello to those guys. Guys, can I have you say a quick hello to the subscribers?
Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? What's up, subscribers?
Guys, this is Matt. He's the tip of the spears when it comes to anything Nissan. Cody, Ranger,
guys.
And Jose.
Yes.
Tell us about your truck real quick.
Oh, it's a 1994 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's the best one of the bunch.
And yeah, how many rescues have you done in the past 90 days?
Too many to count.
All right, guys, make sure you turn into the Trail Chasers podcast. They're a lot of fun.
Thanks, guys.
We're here and we're taking a look at this beautifully jet black, super clean Colorado ZR2. Definitely got a lot of style and is equipped to do a lot. Using the Welco rear tire carrier, FSR tent, and what looks to be possibly a custom-made Overland rack. Running method wheels. Shock skids. Majority of the truck still looks stock. Is running Prinsu Designs roof rack. Overall though, nice looking truck. Now here's a nice looking Toyota Tundra. Cambered suspension with King off-road shocks, method wheels. That nice cement gray Prinsu roof rack, bed liner. It's a TRD 4x4 off-road package. Overall though, that's a nice looking truck. Very simple, very clean. So here we are on Renegade Road. Now, most of you guys know my friend Matt on Trail Chasers. He used to have a Renegade. As a matter of fact, there's a road in the desert in Mojave that they named Renegade Road because of Matt. Now, Matt is known to be a daredevil. He's foot to the floor, pedal to the metal all the time. He's 100% on. And these little Renegades, they do well. I'll tell you what, guys. Wait till you see the Colorado ZR2s. There are quite a few of them here. And normally we don't see a lot of Colorado ZR2s at these shows, only because the ZR2 guys aren't really as organized, and honestly, they're out adventuring. They're not really parking at shows, but this time we're out here representing Mountain Hatch, making sure we show some support for local business, and appears like everyone else has turned out as well. So this one here is another Nissan with an X2O winch, ARB front bumper, and Nissimo package. So this one has the upgraded suspension and a little more travel, but overall he's running the Road Armor rear rack, high lift jack, and these little Nissans. You don't see much of them, but they're out there. Now here's one you don't see very often, full-size Chevy Silverado, black on black, Rome Adventure Company tent, and looks like he's got the front runner rack. And I'll tell you what, this truck looks nice, and I'm sure rides great. It's got an upgraded rear bumper, Icon vehicle dynamic wheels, nice looking truck. Tell me what you guys think. He's running the factory 55 fair lead and hook. Great looking truck. We had a great time at the show. We got to meet Randy from Lead Dog Motorsports. He had his diesel Colorado ZR2 there with an aluminum canopy. Kind of a neat look. A little bit of a change from the norm, but we really liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed the show. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next Trail Adventure.